What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to play Call of Duty, Black Ops 2 on your PS5, but keep getting the unable to join game session error or your NAT type is strict, then this video is for you. I've tested several different fixes, and today I'm going to show you the 3 methods that have helped the most players. Let's get started. Method 1. Check your NAT type. First, completely close Black Ops 2. Then go to Settings by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner of your PS5 home screen. Next, open Network, select Connection Status, and then choose Test Internet Connection. Once the test is complete, scroll down until you find NAT Type. NAT Type 1 is open. NAT Type 2 is moderate and is the recommended setting for online gaming and joining friends. NAT Type 3 is strict, which is the most common reason players can't join multiplayer sessions. If your console is showing NAT Type 3, you'll need to change it to NAT Type 2. For many players, simply restarting the network connection or reconnecting to the internet changes the NAT type. If you're using a wired Ethernet connection, another quick fix is to unplug the Ethernet cable and connect your PS5 to Wi-Fi instead. This has also helped many players switch from NAT Type 3 to NAT Type 2. Method 2. Restart your network. If the issue still isn't fixed, completely restart your router. After that, restart your PS5. Make sure Black Ops 2 is fully closed, and then launch the game again. In most cases, this resolves the unable to join game session error. Method 3. Advanced network fixes. If you're still having trouble, the problem may be related to your internet connection. In that case, you may need to check whether your ISP is using CGNAT. Enable UPnP in your router settings. Set up port forwarding for your PS5. If you'd like a step-by-step tutorial on any of those advanced fixes, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a dedicated video covering them. That's all for this video. If it helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.